Did you know in this scene of the movie in the Labyrinth, it wasn't really David Bowie's hands? It was someone else's. Mind blown. This is really heavy. Like, morning guys, how are we? Me? I'm great. Welcome back to another unboxing for Daisy Jean. Only this one, as you can tell, is for the Labyrinth. Now you guys, I heard that you all broke the internet with this one. Like, broke it completely. You sold them out like that. Kudos, guys. So let me show you what I got. I got my package here. So let's get stuck in. I'm actually doing a photo shoot for this one, so you won't have to wait forever for a photo shoot. I know, my bad. I'm doing the photo shoot for this one like in 3 days. So you guys can look forward to that. I will post this as soon as I can. But look forward to those photos, guys. I cannot wait to show you. They will include that little glass ball thing somehow. I'm not sure, but somehow I'll make it work. But what have we got? So, a little letter from Miss Daisy Jean. Cannot wait to see how you style those. Thank you very much. We have another full box again, guys. We've got 3 today. Oh my God. I wonder what they are. I've been waiting so long to open these, but life's been hectic, and I did the Rockabilly pinup competition. And by the way, if you haven't seen the blog that I did for that, there will be a click here somewhere. Go and check that out. It was definitely a lot of fun, and I cannot wait to do it all again next year. Let's get stuck into these, shall we? Oh God, I'm so excited. Okay, let me get my glass ball. Just chill there. I said just chill there. I said just chill there. Okay. So, in box number 1, we have got ourselves the Goblin King. Oh, breathe there, she. It's just the first box. Oh my God. Get off your thing. You have to be seen. And by the way, check out his eyes. They are even different colors. Oh my God. See? Now you know why I bought the crystal ball. Oh, wow. He is unreal. Wow. I love his little blue eye. That is crazy. Oh. Mr. Goblin King. You can sit right there. Okay, we'll grab this box next. Oh, be still my beating heart. Are we ready? I'm totally not looking. We have, oh, by the looks of it. How to care for your jewellery. I will put all of these descriptions in the box below. I was wondering where these were. I thought maybe because I'd gotten a collection of them, they were starting to save on paper. But no. And then all their social medias. Oh But Darwin! He is my all-time favorite. Look, I'm crying. What is with me and crying in these videos? Oh my gosh. He is unreal, and he looks like the movie too. Wow. Oh, you have to be on my body right now. Wow. He is. Oh my God. I'm freaking out. You know what I love most about these? Every time I've gotten a brooch from Daisy Jean, the pins have been really sharp. There is nothing worse than getting a new brooch and having the pin on the back blunt. And then you put it in for the first time and it pulls a thread. They're always sharp. Look at him. Stop it. Oh my God. Okay. Lucky last. Oh my God, I wonder what it is. Oh my God, stop wondering and just open the box, DG. We have got... Is that Sarah? Oh my God, she's beautiful. Oh my God, now I'm really crying. I really wanted her. Aww. She's gorgeous. Wow. That is unreal. Thank you guys for making this collection. I'm going to go clean myself up. I'll be back in a second. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that. If you can't tell, I am like the biggest fan of The Labyrinth. It was like my all-time favorite movie. I remember watching it as a kid and wanting the worm as a pet and kind of sort of wanted the two different color eyes like Bowie, but apparently that was surgery. And then I found out it was a glass eye and I'm like, yeah, no, I don't want to commit that much. I'll just stick with a contact. And then Sarah, when she's wearing that ball gown and then she's in that dream, just move me in. Oh, I love that movie. And now the crazy thing is my bulldog, Layla, the way that she sits sometimes, she sort of looks like Ludo. I have my own life like Ludo. Crazy. Anyway, thank you so much everybody for joining me, and I seriously know why we broke the internet for these now. These are insane. And but I have no words. All I can say is stay tuned for the photo shoot because I have an idea. Thanks guys for watching. Bye. Can't believe I cried. What's wrong with you, girlfriend?